Hello viewers! Today we're going to explore the top 5 remedies for soothing a sore throat. So if you're feeling that irritating scratch in your throat, stay tuned. First up is honey and warm water. Simply mix a tablespoon of honey into some warm water and drink it. This soothing mixture can really help calm your throat. Next we have the saltwater gargle. Just dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle it. This solution is great for reducing swelling and easing throat pain. Herbal tea can be a real comfort when you're feeling under the weather. Try sipping on chamomile, licorice root, or ginger tea for their soothing effects. Apple cider vinegar is another great option. Just mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and honey in warm water, and you'll feel its soothing benefits. If your throat is feeling particularly dry, using a humidifier or inhaling steam can provide significant relief. It's a simple yet effective method to ease your sore throat. I hope you find these remedies helpful. Don't forget to try them out and let us know how they work for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.